Alright guys, we're going to do a room tour of the Hyatt Place Indianapolis Fishers. We're here for a game, the All-Star Volleyball Pro Game. So we're going to take a room tour of this pretty nice hotel room at the Hyatt Place. So pretty large bathroom right off the bat. Good size. It's got, looks like plenty of storage underneath there. Lots of, let's see if they have certain amenities. Okay, here's the amenities. Here's the shampoos they use in case you guys want to know. And let's take a look at the rest of the room. So this is a king bed, kind of one of their more standard rooms. It's actually pretty nice. So their nicer rooms are probably pretty nice. I got a nice size desk. Looks like it has a wireless charging spot there. Coffee maker. Let's see, down here we've got a fridge. That's a nice touch. We've got hanging storage with a safe. There you go. Oh, there's an iron in there too. Nice bed. And it does have a couch. Pretty nice couch. I think it's a pull-out. Not 100% sure on that. I think these are all pull-out. Yep, it looks like, I believe it is a pull-out couch. There are outlets near the bed. Let's take a look at that. There you go, USB-A and United States outlet. And some storage cubbies. So we'll take a wider view of the room.
Food within walking distance.
There's food within walking distance. There's a mall across the street, it looks like. And we're here to go to the Fishers Event Center. I don't know if you can see because of the light, but the Fishers Event Center is just right there. It's pretty cold the time we're here, so you could walk it in the summer. Other things here, there's an IKEA across the street. There's a Top Golf near here. So plenty of stuff to do if you're coming here for a ball game, or you want to go to Top Golf, or the mall that's next door. Looks like there's some nice dining options around. So Hyatt Place, Fishers, Indiana, on the northeast side of Indianapolis.